this is Alex from Studio, and in today's video I would like to show you how can you restore your USB drive that has been corrupted using your Windows command prompt. With that being said, let's hop into the video. So today we are going to restore our corrupt USB using Windows CMD. I'm using Windows 10, but it will work also on Windows 11. Okay, so first let's insert our corrupted drive. Okay, it is inserted. You can see I'm using a 16 GB drive, but over here I have only 20 MB available. So now I will show you how to restore it to its initial stage. Let's go to command prompt and type disk partition. Enter. Yes. Okay, so now we have started our disk partition application. Over here we will need to type list disk. Okay, so here is all our disks available. This is the drive I'm using, so this is disk 6. Now we are going to select this disk by typing select disk 6. Enter. Okay, the disk is now selected. Let's clean it. Okay, we have successfully cleaned the disk. Now let's create partition. Primary. Okay, let's hit enter. Okay, now it's done. Okay, perfect. Let's format it now. Format fs equals mtfs. Hit enter, and our format process has started. You will need to wait for, depending on your drive, from 10 to 30 minutes until the process is done, and then you can use your USB drive. Okay, so it took me 20 minutes to format the drive. Let's see it in my PC. Okay, so you can see that I have available space of 14.3 GB. And this is how you format your USB drive. So you have seen, we have successfully restored our USB drive and we can use its full capacity. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for similar tech tips.